Hi guys, it's Tim with Event Office and Inflatable Office, and I'm going to show you how to do something that will change. I'm going to show you how to do your Facebook preview image and make that what you want it to be, and how you can use that in your marketing plan. This is something that we wanted to figure out how to do because we didn't like, well, I guess I say we, I mean me. I didn't like the way my image was showing up. I'll show it to you right now. It's still not working right. So if I type in my website on a comment, you can see that Facebook's going to grab a preview image. I don't like that preview image. It's kind of silly. It's just part of my logo. So I want to get rid of that. So what I started doing was looking into it. And so one of the cool things I found that is if you have uh, Inflatable Office and you're using WordPress, we give you something called Rank Math, and that makes it really easy to do that. Rank Math is kind of like Yoast in that you can do a lot of SEO stuff with it, and we actually like it better than Yoast. So if you have Rank Math, I'm going to show you how to do that, and then if you don't, I'll show you how to do it anyway, because you don't have to be using Inflatable Office and WordPress to get some cool tips today. So first of all, let's look at Rank Math. So we're going to go down here to this global, so we're on Rank Math, we went to Tiles and Meta, and it's bringing us to this global meta. And if we scroll down here, you can see I already uploaded this, but what you do is you click add or upload file. This is the open graph thumbnail. That's what Facebook's going to use. Now, in my scenario, I did this video before and realized that it wasn't working the way it should. So I had to look into it a little more, scrap the video, and now I'm redoing it. But I'm going to show you another spot that you may have to set it. And this is where we had to set it. So if I go to homepage, you can see I can't do anything with homepage. And when I was checking my homepage, it wasn't getting set. So it looks like if you come in here, and in my case, I had to come in here and then set it right here as well. So I went to that homepage one under Rank Math. I clicked to edit it. I came in here to the social section and I added it here as well. So, and it looks like you can also make some changes here if you want to for your preview stuff for Facebook. So the next step with doing that is to go to this URL right here, developers.facebook.com/tools/debug. Okay, and then put in your website address and hit debug. And then you're going to be able to click this button that says scrape again. Now, you can see that I've already updated my stuff, and when I click scrape again, I'm going to get this same preview image. See that? It didn't change it. Now, what's going on here is basically that my WordPress is getting cached. Okay, so we have some a plugin called Auto Optimize, and it's caching some of our pages. So the next step for me, probably if I really wanted to force this to work, I'd probably delete my cache here and then go back here and click this scrape again, and it would probably get the right thing. I'm not in that big of a hurry, so I'm going to let it just go ahead and do its thing. If you want to, and here's how I was able to kind of check and see that it wasn't working. For one, Facebook's scraper didn't work, right? Number two, I came in here and I know what it's supposed to look like. It's supposed to be, I'm supposed to be looking for this OG image. If you can see it right down here in my find, and I click to find it, it's not in there anywhere. I can see all these other ones. This is all the Facebook Open Graph meta tags, okay, right there. And it should be in there with the rest of those, and it's not in there. So I know something's up. Check with Rank Math on their help stuff, and it looked like it's probably just a caching issue. Other people have run into the same thing to where Facebook is asking for my website information, but my website says, I'm not going to serve you the latest. I'm going to serve you, you've already got it cached, and I'm not going to serve you the latest. So it's a speed thing. A lot of websites do that. So that's not uncommon. But here's what you want to make it look like. So if you want to put it in, you're going to do a meta tag like this. Meta property equals OG image, content equals, and then that's the location of the file that you want to show up. Now, the cool thing about this, I think, is, and I just chose to put in an image for now of our logo, and maybe you'll do the same. That's not a bad thing to put in there, but I think a lot of you might benefit by putting like an image together that's actually an ad, some sort of advertisement, maybe something that says like, we have the best bounce houses in the area or something, whatever it is, or, check our latest discounts, and maybe a nice picture of one of your units that people like to rent. So you could do that, and you could change that periodically, and that way you always have a fresh thumbnail, and that thumbnail is not just it's not irrelevant. It actually is part of your advertisement to get people to go to your website. Posting images on Facebook and videos is a big deal. Whenever you're just posting a comment, that's something. But if you post an image or a video, it stands out, especially in the comments. So I'm trying to look and see if we have any in here. Yeah, see, here's someone who posted an image. You see how that stands out above the rest of it? And so that's a really good way to do it. And so I hope that helps you, and you're able to just improve your Facebook presence just by doing that simple little step. All right, thanks, guys.